question is, have manufacturing jobs gone because of automated machines? Hell no. Because I see in India itself, we have been growing our manufacturing jobs by 7% year on year.
That's true. In fact, customer support, right? Even though automation has come in and IVR is there and all of that is there, customer support executives still exist and people still want to talk to a human being at the end of the day. So there is scope at every place.
There is still humans being involved in the process, and I'll take Spacepass as an example. We have AI or tools for everything, right from scheduling, creating captions, graphic designers needing images to be created through AI generative tools, to reading the insights. We're using AI tools to tell us what's working and what's not. So, and at the end of the day, Spacepass not shrunk because we've been using all of these tools.
Potential counter to that, space was not shrunk, but perhaps if we didn't have AI tools, we would have hired like 10-15 people more who we don't need today because AI is taking over those jobs.
But we haven't shrunk or grown, that's true, because we are looking for a certain quality of people who can deal and handle these tools.
Again, I completely agree. Quality of people. So in fact, I have a hypothesis that in the last decade or so, the kind of people who have been coming into marketing are not the best quality people coming into marketing. You know, it's people who could not find a job anywhere else, did not commerce grads, CNA हुआ marketing में चले जाओ, engineering grads flunked engineering, चलो marketing में चले जाओ. So marketing's been filled with these absolutely, I would say, mediocre people, and of course AI takes over tasks that mediocre people do or mediocrity breeds.
Yeah, I mean, the entry level to get into marketing is so much more easier because you have so many tools at your disposal. One is, of course, AI tools, but just don't think that your camera phone itself has made sure that every person can be a content creator at this point. So anybody can jump into marketing. And now all of this got me thinking, is that should I be worried about my job because of what Saul Tolman has said?
Yeah. I agree that yes, some people should be worried. But I don't think you should be worried. If you're driven, I think this marketing, you're going to be fine in marketing. But if you're the kind of person who's always waiting for tasks to be assigned to you, you yourself are not, growing or doing better than what you were doing yesterday, it's not going to work. And in one of my last videos, in fact, I also said that there are 3 jobs that will continue to shine in the future. The job of the strategists, the scientists, and the storytellers within marketing. And if you are not average at those jobs, if you are good at those jobs, then marketing is the right field for you. Still.
So don't be an executive.
Don't be in it.